abakagerwa bane bo boiti asesemo ya Nyamakoroto ase amatemo mungina n'umusacho ibabete bagwitwa nigo batiki wabosyo bwekigambero ase ritwera kabere awaseki na kyabo kigenderete gotegererwa bosimo munachebi na Winfried Okwanyi abakagerwa bo nonya nabo nigo bakana amamocho ase nonya nabo abawakiri babo bagania babwatokwe ase bond gose nabo igo ekina kyabo koletwa ase county ya Kisii nonya nabo nigo Winfried ateba bunanigo ukunachwa korachikorwe wa tariki 15 cy'umutinyo gocha gose nigo barachiko bwatokwa nekina kyabo koletwa ase county ya Kisii muri keito job banki no roboti urwaso bwime
asiri tukulia kabirilie kina igorego icho kwa banchi babere Edward na Grace Morema ensemwe Nyamakoroto county Nyamira nigo abakegerwa abanene ase kinekyo baikabosibwe kigambero kya Nyamira abakagerwa abanene ase kinekyo Ezekiel Mogeni, Peter Njoroge, Peris Ondara na Dennis Ondara mbaka na amamocha yo aseki na giategerero n'umunachi ekina Winfried Okwanyi
kiana na wengine ambao hawajafikishwa mahakamani mulimuua Edward Morema Nyagechi, Ezekiel Mogeni Migiro. Ni ukweli ama si ukweli?
Si ukweli.
Peris Ondara?
Si ukweli.
Dennis Ondara Clement?
Si ukweli.
It's not true. Peter Njoroge Kirika?
Si ukweli.
It's not true.
Ensemo yali kwegerera abakagerwa yekora uno mwakili Samson Nyaberi na Geoffrey Omenke mbaru ogosababuna abakagerwa basiborwe magayo gwakana bond nekina ekyo kunganyo gochia se koti ya Kisii.
My lady, we are applying for bonds for the second accused person with an alternative, my lady, of a cash bill with a rider that perhaps she gets a contact person. And the reasons or grounds that we are making that application is that the second accused person is a teacher.
Ensemo yali kwegerera enka ya Morema eyekora una Wilkins Ochoki mbasa babakagero gotabwato kwa asengencho ogosiboro kwabo nigokora abeke amagema yenkeye ase akongu.
That I am not seen to be giving evidence from the bar. Yeah. But very briefly, my lady, they are not staying at home because their life is in danger. And as you balance the constitutional right of the accused persons, kindly balance it with the rights of the victims, the circumstances, my lady, under which the deceased died.
Somosweli omonene bwe serikali Joel Chilchil asabamba siborwa asengencho egati abakegerwa abo nigo babwate amamocho atarategererwa nuko bwato kwa kwabo nigo korabeke amagimabo ase akongu.
The society is still hostile and they are likely to be eliminated if released on bond. Nearly all the accused persons are criminals in nature. This court is inclined to release the accused person on bond. We kindly request that the same should not be done at this stage, not unless and until our vulnerable witnesses have testified.
Omunachi ekina Winfried Okwanyi na hata yabanachikorwa okonacha chitariki 15 cy'umutinyi okobwati igoro yoko bwato kwa bakagerwa bugwetera ase bond gose ekine kukunganyu gocha se koti ya Kisii.
So Mr. Choki filed and served affidavit before Friday this week and make the ruling on the bond application and the application to transfer the case to Kisii High Court on 15th of June 2023.
Korwa se county Nyamira, ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.